Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.2, Problem 16. This is Section 2.3, problem number 16. It says round 6.115 to the nearest thousandth. So what you have to do is find that thousandth position and then look one digit to the right and see if you have the numbers 0 through 4. You just chop it off, or 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, and you would bump the digit up by 1 and then chop the rest off. So right after the decimal you have tenths, after that you have hundredths, after that you have thousandths. So 5 is in the thousandths position. Now in this particular case, there is nothing after it, so it's already rounded to the thousandths position. So it's a little bit of a trick question. You're looking for one more out and there is none. So the question itself winds up being the actual answer. Rounded to the nearest thousandths is still 6.115.